In my video today, I'm going to show how to properly cap your nails. I'm using GelMoment's One Step Gel in the color Rhumba Orange, an alcohol pad, our file buffer, and our cuticle pusher. Now, I already did push back my cuticles with the cuticle pusher, and then afterwards I am going to buff my nail using the gray buffer side of the file, and then I'll be cleaning off my nail using the rubbing alcohol pad. Now, capping is essential to getting a long-lasting and durable manicure. It protects your gel manicure from everyday wear and prevents any premature chipping you would get just from day-to-day doing things with your hands. I have learned, having had both very long nails and very short nails, a couple different tricks to really make sure that the edge of my nail is capped. A lot of people struggle with getting capped nails, especially if they got short nails, so I'm going to show off a couple different tricks that I have learned. Now, once we've cleaned our nails, we're going to roll our gel. Remember not to shake it, as shaking can actually get bubbles in the gel, and we don't want that. We want a nice, smooth, perfect mani. After you've rolled the gel, you're going to clean off most of the gel on the applicator. Especially when capping the nails, you do not want to have a whole bunch of gel on that applicator. So I'm going to show how to do it first for a short nail. I hold the brush applicator parallel to my finger and I push the gel over the edge of my nail and pull it back. And what that does is it gets gel right on that edge of the nail. Now with long nails, as you can see, you can flip over and just kind of paint it. That's how I tend to cap my nails when my nails are long. It's easy and you make sure and you can see it. But with short nails, it really does just help to hold that applicator parallel and push the product over the free edge of that nail. And what it does is it gets gel slightly under the nail, but it gets it on that edge of the nail to really make sure that you're going to have a very durable and long-lasting mani. So you can see there that pigmented orange, beautiful color all over the free edge of that nail. There is no white of nail showing. After you have capped the nails properly, you're going to go back over and paint the full nail. I always cap first because when you then go back and you paint the nail, it smooths out any ridge from having capping the nails. So once that's done, cure it and you have a perfect mani. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it helps you. My name is Morgan Richards and I am an independent GelMoment distributor.